Welcome back, fellas, into this new video Tech Express. Today let's get started to deactivate your Facebook account right away. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Facebook account. I'm gonna be using a desktop account, but the process actually is exactly the same into a phone as well, or a tablet. So once you have opened your Facebook application, you want to tap the menu icon to your profile pictures into the upper right section. Here you want to look out for the option that says Settings and Privacy, and once again type into the element that says Settings. Here you have the blue border account center box into the left section that you see here. Let's go for see more in account center. When you click directly inside here, you have all of these new elements. So you can scroll into the selecting deactivation mode. To choose the deactivation or deletion, if you have an Instagram account linked to it, you'll see them here too. So you wanted to make sure that you go for passcodes and security. So when you are directly into account settings, you have the profiles and profiles details. Directly inside here, you should see the element that says account ownership. If you don't see this, that's because nowadays this appears this new element that says managed accounts. So here I make sure that I select my Facebook account, I go for managed, and here is the element that we're actually looking for, the deactivation mode. When I click directly here into the deactivation mode, you go for deactivate account. It says deactivating your account is temporarily. You go for the option that says continue. If you have Instagram accounts linked, you'll see them here too. You can select your Facebook account. Make sure deactivate account is selected. This is temporarily. If you delete, your data will be gone forever. You hit for the option that says continue. For security reasons, you will need to enter your passcode to confirm that it's really you trying to take an actual break. So Facebook will ask you for an actual reason. So pick one, hit continue, and by default, Facebook will automatically reactivate your account after 7 days. So if you wanted a longer break, tap the drop down menu, select don't reactivate automatically, and hit for done. This ensures the account stays off until you decide to come back. So you make the confirmation, you hit into continue, you enter your passcode, and you're actually good to go. So you'll be logged out and your profile is now officially ghost mode. So to come back, just logged in back with your email and passcode whenever you're ready. If you're looking for a more permanent exit, you want to watch more videos into how to delete your Facebook forever, that we currently have into another tutorial. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Just in case you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.